Good morning, everyone. So I'm actually trying to go live on YouTube as well because not everybody has Facebook. So first, I want to do a new dance to work out with you to start our lesson this morning. First, and I will put the link to this in the comments in a little bit. Oh, I don't know what's happening to my computer right now. Okay, so we're going to do the freeze dance, and it is on YouTube. It's just a fun way that sometimes we do this in our class. So let me see. Let me move this chair out of the way. See, can you see me? Okay. Fun. We do that in our classroom sometimes just to get your body moving. All right, so now we are going to start our calendar. All right, you can see back there, you can see our days of the week. So we are going to do the days of the week in sign language. All right, are you ready? Let's do it together. And oh, if you don't know how to snap, have you been practicing? Remember, you put your fingers together really hard and try to move them past each other. So keep practicing. It's the only way you're going to figure it out. So let's go. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 All right, I want you to turn on your noodles. Turn them on. Yesterday was Wednesday. It was Wednesday yesterday. What is today? If yesterday was Wednesday, what is today? Let's go back. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. It is Thursday. Great job. Okay, so now let's exercise to the months of the year. Are you ready? Let's stand up today and put your hands on your hips. We're going to do some lunges, okay? Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. All right, so if you look at our month, it starts with what letter? It starts with an M. What sound does M make? M makes a sound, right? So if it's the 5th month and it starts with the sound January, February, March, April, May. It's May. Okay, so now that we know that it's Thursday and that it's May, let's see what the date is. Can you count with me? Let's count together. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? It's 7. You're right. All right, so let's go ahead and put that 7 up there. It is Thursday, May 7th. If you said that with me, give yourself a round of applause. Woo! Okay, so now I want you to put your binoculars on and go look out a window. And let's sing our weather song. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? Is it rainy? I don't know. No, it is actually, it is sunny. It's a little chilly, but that's okay. It's not too cold. So now, guess what? Zoe got a brand new book in the mail yesterday, and I want to read it to you, okay? In our classroom, we have read a lot of the Pig the Pug books, and it's one of my favorites. Like I tell you guys all the time, my favorite kind of books are rhyming books. It's true. I really love them. So now let's read Pig the Tourist. If you're looking at this book and you look at the cover and you read the title, it says Pig the Tourist, what do you think, what do you predict will happen in this book? A tourist means that you go and you look at different places, right? You go and you travel. Let's find out. It is written and illustrated by Aaron Blabby. Blabby? That means he wrote the words and he drew the pictures. He's really talented. All right, here we go. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say, he went on vacation, or when he went on vacation, he'd cause great dismay. Means he causes a lot of problems. You could make careful plans to ensure happy travel, but Pig would destroy them. He'd make them, let's find out, unravel. Look at that. Look at all the issues he's causing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hot dogs. That's not okay, Pig. All right. With behavior so bad, it's hard to describe. He would dampen your trip, and he'd ruin the vibe. He'd break all the rules. He'd flaunt all tradition, causing disaster was Pig's big ambition. Ambition means something that he set out to do. He really wanted to accomplish that goal. Even in places of wild celebration, he'd somehow create absolute devastation. And if he could shatter some ancient taboo, he wouldn't think twice. That appalling Yahoo. Look at that. Oops. Look what he's doing. He's messing up the dancers. He knocked off the Sphinx's head. Oh my goodness. Pig. Parties, parades, and processions got wrecked in a blizzard of chaos and foul disrespect. Oh my gosh, look. It says Year of the Dragon, but he wrote over it and said Year of the Pig. Oh no. His insensitive antics would ruin your stay till the locals will gather and shout. What do you think they'll shout if he's causing all those problems? Look at this right here. He put a sign on that says, I'm a koala. Donuts on his ears. Oh my goodness. Go away! I would too. But that wouldn't stop him. Oh, can't turn the page. He'd rock and he'd roll. This says, Mona Lisa attacked. Look at that. It says, Tower of Pisa destroyed. He knocked over the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Till his rollicking horseplay, spun out of control. Unbridled and vast was his need to offend, but every wild party must come to an end. Yes, if you treat locals with little regard, they'll come back to bite you. This says, no swimming. Piranhas. Look, Trevor's trying to tell him, but he's not. He doesn't care. And they bite hard. Look, they're biting his booty. These days it's different. I'm happy to say he's learned not to ruin the whole holiday. But let's be honest, the truth I must tell, although he must try. Look at that, Trevor's over there. Well, look, Pig gets to go with his mom. Pig does not travel well. Look at that. You see that? He's tooting on the airplane. The end. If you like that story, give me a big thumbs up. I do like these stories. They're some of my favorites. Well, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Depending on what my kids' schedule is, we will try to do it.